So here we go. We've got some different things on here. So it says find the length of the shadow. This is one of the bigger problems that I've found over the years that is interesting to me, is where to put shadows. Shadows occur on the ground. So shadows are always going to be the ground side of anything. Now this one has a shadow. You can see it down there, like put on the ground. But that's not usually going to be the case. So we got to remember shadows are on the ground. So the lamp's 10 feet tall. The angle of elevation to the sun, so angle of elevation, 58 degrees. That's this corner. Now they have it in there for me, but normally, again, I'm going to have to know where that is so I can place it in the picture. And it says find the length of the shadow, and they already have an X in there for me. So everything is, again, labeled on this picture. I don't have to do any labeling. So it says find this. So I got a label. This is a SOHCAHTOA problem because, again, it has the angle. It has an angle involved in it. All right, it gives you an angle this time. So hypotenuse over here, opposite over here, adjacent over there. I'm going to use the opposite and the adjacent because I know the opposite and I want to know the adjacent. That's going to make it a tangent problem. All right. Now I know the angle this time, so this is not a second one. This is a cross multiply one. And then the opposite's 10, the adjacent is X. So take my calculator. Tangent 58 is 1.600. 1.600 cross multiply, and then this is the longest version I can get because I get 10 equals 1.600 dot 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 x. So I have to dissolve this one. And this is going to give me 10 divided by 6.28 or 248. 6.248. It says nearest tenth of a foot. That means round the 2 using the 4. So it's going to stay 6.2.